Hello guys, happy Thursday. I am back with the BOXYCHARM Luxe. Came pretty early this month, so I'm super excited, and it's a pretty good one. Let's just start there. It is a good one. I hope you all are having a good week. Let me know down below how your week is treating you. Alright guys, this is what she looks like inside, and the card for the month is BOXYCHARM Winter Luxe. Pretty simple. No real theme, I guess, just the winter Luxe. Maybe they'll start doing bi-seasonal Luxe instead of having themes every month. Okay, so I did use a few things. So this is the first thing that I use, and this is the Ofra On the Glow palette. It's really cute, and you open her up, and I love it. Let's take this. Well, you see it says we have Blissful, we have Egyptian Clay Bronzer, we have Americano Bronzer, we have California Dream Triangle, Beverly Hills Highlighter, and Rodeo Drive. So if you guys can see, this one is again with the nails and hair. If you don't see, go back and watch my very last video, which is also BOXYCHARM. It was the premium. This has a bunch of different highlighters making this up. I use this as my bronzer. I use these two colors almost like a sailboat. In my crease, I used this color right here on the eyelid. I did use this as my bronzer, and then I used this guy as my highlighter. Oh no, I'm sorry, I lied. I swirled this guy as my highlighter. And then we did put this in the inner corner right here. So this, I love Ofra. If you don't have anything Ofra and you got this, you're gonna absolutely love it. I remember I was so excited. We got another palette that was semi like this, but like half the size last year around the same time. I think it was the Christmas holiday box as well, and I loved that as well. Everything I've tried from Ofra I absolutely love. It's a great brand, from their bronzers and eyeshadows all the way to their really well-known highlighters. So, ooh, I'm tongue-tied over here. And I'm excited to get this because I was actually going to get this in the sale. So if you guys know, there is a sale going on right now. If you head to, you can actually do your choice as well. You could do your choice and then head right over to the sale. But I put this in my cart. This is the Pharmacy. I love this brand. It is the Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. This is worth $40, and I forgot to mention the Ofra palette is worth $150, $149 to be exact. I'm excited to have this. We don't get a lot of body serums, and I do love the brand Pharmacy. AHAs and BHAs are great at reducing wrinkles, helping with hydration, just getting that dead skin off. This also be a great product if you're somebody who self-tans as well. The next thing I see on my card is the Davins. Where is this? Oh, it's gotta be this. Yep, this is the Davins OI All-in-One Milk. It's $36, and it's a multifunctional leave-in spray treatment. I guess it is for your hair. It doesn't say anywhere on there, but I'm just gonna have to guess. It says multi-use. I guess you could use it on your skin, on anywhere, but it says for all hair types on here. This is worth $36, and I actually used the Verb spray. Oh, no, not the spray, the oil that we got earlier last month. I believe it's like something with, I don't remember. Something with peppers, because I remember thinking like peppers in my hair. I don't know, but I used that and that was really nice. So the Verb oil we got last month, I did try. It's really nice. The next thing I got is the Aceology detoxifying treatment mask. Now this is a mask that you're going to put a thin layer on, and then you're going to wait 30 minutes and you're going to peel it off. I don't really love or hate these types of masks. I feel like I haven't done one like this in a really long time, maybe since I was younger. I don't tend to get masks like this just because I feel like it's rough on your skin to like rip that stuff off. And I think anything you're getting off is not really like blackheads and things you would like. It's just like build up kind of, which is great and helpful. Or it's just like the layer of skin. It's like an exfoliant. So that is what? $69. This is $69. try it out. I'll let you guys know how it is. I also said in my last video, if you didn't see, that I am going to do a full face using everything in my Boxy, and then a full face using all the stuff from my Ipsy, so that we can try and see. I did obviously use the stuff on my face, but I'm going to do a get ready with me and talk about some stuff. This is the Luxe Christine set. It is worth $50. Ooh. It has 5 brushes inside, and as you can see, I did use them. Oddly enough, I have quite a few Luxe brushes from Ipsy as well, so I can see that they're going to start coming in Boxy. I do like their brushes. I do have quite a few for sale on my Macari if you head over there as well, but this is a really nice 5-piece set. It has 3 eye brushes, an angled brush, and then like a different like fibered brush. I'm not really sure what I'm going to use that for. I did use it for highlighter today. I've seen people use it for their foundation. I use a tinted moisturizer, so I will try it out with that as well. So this is really cute as well, holder, so it's great for traveling and shaped just like the brushes are shaped. The very next thing, I don't know if I said it's $50, guys. The very next thing that I see on here is the, where is it? The Pure Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. Now, I don't really know that it has anything to do with real magnetic technology. I have tried this before and I do like it. There's actually, I have one on backup right now because I go through mascaras, and I had one that I was like, oh, I like that product. I'll grab it from the pop-up, and then this came in my box about a month and a half later, I would say, maybe 2 months later. So I'm glad to have a backup of it, as I do like that mascara. That is $22. It says age defying. It's a weird way to describe mascara, right? Right? Like, I guess it means your lashes will stay young, like lash treatment, but then also like, no, that doesn't make sense. I was going to say like aging, like time that you could have it, but that also doesn't make sense because, you know, I'm tired. Yeah, so the next thing that we have on here, in here, is the Persona Cosmetics. It's a $14 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. Now, I think it's really cute that it came like this, not just dropped in your bag. It's really sleek. Persona, everything I've tried from them, I have enjoyed. And I actually wanted to wait to, oh, is it brown? Nope, no, it's black. It's just a brown packaging. I did want to wait to try this on with you guys because I have seen people play with this, and it is just so, it looks like it's so creamy. That was just like the tiniest, like me holding it with 2 fingers and lightly going against my skin. And the reason I wanted to try this is I was like, I'll put it in like under the inside of my eye. That's what I'm trying to say. The inside of my eye right here. And it feels really creamy. I just, of course, I got it. I had to get it. That's really pretty. I had to get it, not me not being able to talk and do my liner at the same time. I've never known that about myself. That's hilarious. I feel like I'm talking like this even though I'm trying to keep my eye. That's hilarious. I'm trying to keep my eye steady, right? So you think like, okay, eye steady, but instead I'm doing it with my mouth too. I'm like, okay, I can't. Not touching anything that has to do with my mouth. Literally just my eye. Okay, so I did get a little bit down here. No big deal. I wish I could get you guys closer, but it's freaking me out to do. I don't think I've ever done this on camera. Maybe I could just do it. What if I hold my eye? Oh, it's bugging me out. It's bugging me out. I don't know why doing it on camera is bugging me out. I think it's because I'm not speaking to you guys. So the anxiety is like, you're not talking, you're not talking. Yeah, welcome to my brain. Welcome. We wonder why my hair is falling out, right? My nails are being picked off. Anyhow, really creamy is the point. It's a really nice one. It actually reminds me of, I have a Pat McGrath one that was sent to me in like PR, like for review, and I don't know if it's the Dark Star one. I know the mascara is called Dark Star, and it came with it. But literally like the same thing, the same feel, the same type of stay on. And I will let you know about how, like, I'm sorry, the same type of go on. I will let you know about the stay on is what I was trying to say, the wear test. And like I said, I am going to do a video with this. I obviously skipped something. Oh, she's a big one that I skipped too. This is the Kate, ooh, I'm going to butcher this. Baroque Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. This is huge. It's $116, guys. $116. Let's check her out. I went to like thinking it was going to be a really big, would you look at this? You guys know what that's from? Would you look at this? Just look at it. Just look at it. Oh, okay. It's beautiful. It's really nice. It's heavy. It's weighted. It reminds me of something like Kate Somersville. It's really nice. It's Luxe. I will not try this obviously because I have a full face of makeup on, but yeah, I think that $116. So if you guys saw my unboxing yesterday, it's not quite as bad as that, I suppose. Not me fighting on camera to put this back in the box and making a lot of noise. Yeah, it's not as bad as what I opened up yesterday, and the value of that, well, the over value of that, because there's no way that it was worth that much money. Go and check that. Like I said, it's a pretty extreme value for something that probably isn't that much, just to raise the value of Boxy. But you know, the rest of the box is amazing. I don't know how this is going to be. Maybe it's worth $116. I was talking about yesterday, like, I have Tatcha, so who am I? Who do I know? Who do I know? I'm going to bed. Okay, well, guys, thank you for hanging out with me. I would say that all in all, this box is a great box. A great box for Luxe. They really did it this time. We got brushes, we've got body serums, we've got face stuff, we've got some mascaras, we've got a full face palette, we have hair stuff, we have a little bit of everything, and I think for once, Boxy nailed this. What do you think? Did you guys get it this month? Did you get the same box as me? Because some of the boxes I've seen have literally been the same box as me, like everybody got the same thing, which is weird to me because this can't, almost dropped it on the ground, this can't possibly fit everybody's skin tone, is what I was trying to say. But hey, I guess you could use it in different ways. Because like I use that really red bronze color in my crease, so you could make it work for different things. I will be back this month doing a full face using everything in my Boxy's both that came together. We'll do a face, we will sit, we will chit chat, I'll get caught up on my life. There's a lot going on. I'm going to talk to y'all about some important stuff, and we're still waiting for Ipsy to come in. I have another surprise large box of something high-end that I'm excited to open with you guys that I got off Beautylish. So we will see all of that in the next coming weeks, and we're gonna get excited, guys. Who is a Christmas person out there? I love Christmas lights. I love Christmas Eve. And then, of course, Christmas morning strictly for my son. And, you know, I'm excited for that, just to make his holiday special. But some of my friends are like the biggest Christmas people. Are you a big Christmas person? Or are you like for me, I like it, for other people, otherwise I wouldn't be like the biggest Christmas person. But I'm excited for Christmas to come, for my baby, and I'm sending you guys all light and love. I do know that this time of year can be rather hard on people's mental health, so please make sure you're, as I always say in my old videos, and probably haven't recently because I haven't been doing enough of it, checking in with yourself, right, every day, making sure that your mental health is in its best state, writing some affirmations down at the end of your night, working through any issues you might have had during the day, highlighting any good points, going to bed grateful, trying to wake up with a fresh, clean slate, things that are healthy for your mind. Don't forget to do those things for yourself. I'm sending you guys all so much light and love, and I hope that you're all taking care of yourself, getting proper rest, de-stressing at nighttime. Self-love is key. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I love you all. Bye, guys.